Keywords are the words and phrases people use to find products online. They are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you are providing to fill that need. When someone types handmade dog collars into Google, you want your Shopify store to appear at the top of the search results. This is crucial because most people don't look past the first page of search results. That's where keyword research comes in. By understanding what your potential customers are searching for, you can tailor your product listings and content to match those search terms. Keyword research involves using tools to find out which keywords are most relevant to your products and which ones have the highest search volume. This helps you to focus your efforts on the keywords that will bring the most traffic to your store. By finding the right keywords, you can attract more potential customers to your store. This means more eyes on your products and more opportunities to make a sale. More traffic means more sales, and that's the goal, right? The more people who visit your store, the higher the chances that someone will make a purchase. Think of keywords as signposts that guide shoppers to your products. They help direct the right people to your store, people who are already interested in what you have to offer. The more relevant and specific your keywords, the better your chances of reaching the right audience. For example, instead of just using dog collars, you might use handmade leather dog collars to attract a more targeted group of shoppers. Ignoring keyword research is like setting up shop in a deserted alleyway. No one will find you. Without the right keywords, your store will be invisible to potential customers, no matter how great your products are. So take the time to do your keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find the best keywords for your products. This investment of time and effort can pay off in a big way by driving more traffic to your store and increasing your sales. Remember, your Shopify store's best friend is keyword research. It helps you understand your customers better, reach more people, and ultimately grow your business. So start researching those keywords today and watch your store thrive. Google Keyword Planner is a powerful free tool that can jumpstart your keyword research. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool can provide invaluable insights into what people are searching for online. It's primarily designed for advertisers, but don't worry, you can still use it to your advantage. Even if you're not running paid ads, the data you can extract from this tool is pure gold for your SEO strategy. Start by brainstorming a list of seed keywords related to your products. Think about the terms your potential customers might use when searching for products like yours. For example, if you sell organic coffee, your seed keywords might be organic coffee, fair trade coffee, and single origin coffee. These initial ideas will serve as the foundation for your keyword research. Enter your seed keywords into Google Keyword Planner, and it will generate a treasure trove of related keywords, along with their search volume and competition level. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of keywords that you might not have thought of, but that are highly relevant to your business. Focus on keywords with a good balance of high search volume and low competition. These are the sweet spots that can drive targeted traffic to your store. High search volume means lots of people are looking for that term, while low competition means fewer websites are trying to rank for it. These are the sweet spots that can drive targeted traffic to your store. By targeting these keywords, you can attract visitors who are more likely to convert into customers. This can lead to increased sales and a stronger online presence for your business. Additionally, you can use these keywords to inform your content strategy. Write blog posts, product descriptions, and other content that incorporates these high-value keywords. This will help improve your search engine rankings and make it easier for potential customers to find you. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. Regularly update your keyword list and monitor your performance. The digital landscape is always changing, and staying on top of your keyword game will keep you ahead of the competition. So dive into Google Keyword Planner today and start uncovering the keywords that will drive your business forward. Your free keyword goldmine is just a few clicks away. Ubersuggest, created by yours truly, is another fantastic free tool for keyword research. Like Google Keyword Planner, it provides keyword suggestions, search volume, and competition data. But Ubersuggest takes it a step further by showing you the SEO difficulty of each keyword. SEO difficulty indicates how challenging it would be to rank for a specific keyword. A lower score means it's easier to rank, while a higher score means it's more competitive. Ubersuggest also offers valuable insights into your competitors' keywords and content strategies. Don't underestimate the power of simple Google searches and your own Shopify search bar. When you start typing a keyword into Google, it suggests related searches based on popular queries. These suggestions can spark new keyword ideas and reveal what people are actually searching for. Similarly, your Shopify search bar can provide valuable insights into what your existing customers are looking for. Pay attention to the terms they use and see if you can incorporate them into your keyword strategy. Section 5. Keywords Everywhere. Spying on your competition ethically. Keywords Everywhere is a browser extension that displays keyword data directly on the search engine results page, or CRP. It's like having X-ray vision into your competitors' keyword strategies. Install the extension, and whenever you search for something on Google, you'll see related keywords and their search volume right alongside the results. This information can help you identify your competitors' top-performing keywords and find opportunities to outrank them. Remember, ethical research is key. Use this tool to understand your competition, not to copy them blindly. Section 6. Long-tail keywords, targeting specific customer needs. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that people search for. For example, instead of just targeting coffee beans, you could target organic Ethiopian coffee beans for French press. While long-tail keywords have lower search volume, they often convert better because they attract highly targeted traffic. Think about the specific needs and desires of your target audience. What problems are they trying to solve? What questions do they have? Use long-tail keywords to provide tailored solutions and position yourself as an expert in your niche. Section 7. Keyword Optimization. Don't just find them, use them. Finding the right keywords is only half the battle. You need to use them strategically throughout your Shopify store. Incorporate your target keywords into your product titles, descriptions, image alt text, and even your blog posts. Remember to use keywords naturally and avoid keyword stuffing, which is the practice of cramming keywords into your content unnaturally. Search engines can penalize you for this, so focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers and naturally incorporates your target keywords. Section 8. Analyzing your results. Tracking keyword performance. Keyword research is not a one-time task. You need to regularly track your keyword performance and make adjustments as needed. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to see which keywords are driving traffic to your store and how your rankings are improving. If you're not seeing the desired results, don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords or adjust your content strategy. The world of SEO is constantly evolving, so stay flexible and adapt your approach as needed. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. Keyword research is an ongoing process. As trends change and new products emerge, the landscape of search behavior shifts dramatically. Your target audience's search behavior will evolve, influenced by new interests, seasonal trends, and technological advancements. That's why keyword research is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time task, but a continuous effort to stay relevant. Make it a habit to revisit your keyword strategy regularly. Set reminders, schedule periodic reviews, and stay updated with the latest trends. Update your keyword list based on the latest insights and data. This ensures that your content remains aligned with what your audience is searching for. By staying ahead of the curve and continuously optimizing your keyword strategy, you can capture new opportunities as they arise. You can ensure that your Shopify store remains visible and competitive in the ever-changing world of e-commerce. The digital marketplace is dynamic, and staying relevant requires constant vigilance and adaptation. Remember, the key to success is to provide valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience. Listen to your customers, analyze their feedback, and incorporate their needs into your content strategies. Keyword research is the compass that guides you there. It helps you navigate the complex terrain of digital marketing. Utilize SEO tools to gain deeper insights into keyword performance and trends. These tools can provide valuable data to refine your strategy. Stay educated by attending webinars, workshops, and industry conferences. Continuous learning is crucial in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Keep an eye on industry reports and market research to understand broader trends that could impact your keyword strategy. Networking with other professionals can also provide fresh perspectives and new ideas for your keyword strategy. Set clear goals for your keyword research efforts and celebrate milestones when you achieve them. This keeps the process motivating and rewarding. Regularly review your keyword performance reports and adjust your strategy as needed. This iterative process is key to long-term success. By making keyword research an ongoing process, you can ensure that your content remains relevant, engaging, and effective in reaching your target audience. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement, and your efforts will pay off in the form of increased visibility and success in the digital marketplace.